5 vitamins to prevent hormonal imbalance in women. Hormonal balance in women is vital for a variety of reasons, including mood regulation, reproductive health, and even maintaining a healthy weight. Now, what if I told you there's a natural way to help keep this balance in check? That's right. We're talking about vitamins. These tiny, potent substances can play a significant role in achieving and maintaining this balance. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 specific vitamins: A, B6, D, E, and K. Each of these vitamins has unique properties that contribute to hormonal balance in different ways. So if you've ever wondered about the connection between vitamins and hormonal health, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we begin our deep dive into these essential vitamins. First on our list of essential vitamins is vitamin A, also known as retinol. This power-packed vitamin plays a crucial role in the overall health of women, particularly in regulating the menstrual cycle and supporting reproductive health. Let's delve a bit deeper. Vitamin A is essential for the production of sex hormones, which are the key players in regulating the menstrual cycle. A deficiency of vitamin A can lead to irregular periods, and in extreme cases, can cause amenorrhea, which is the absence of menstruation. Moreover, it is instrumental in the development and regulation of the female reproductive system, making it vital for women of all ages. But the benefits of vitamin A don't stop here. It is also a well-known antioxidant, which helps to fight against cell damage and aging. In addition, it supports the health of the skin, eyes, and immune system, contributing to overall well-being. So where can we find vitamin A? Well, it's abundant in a variety of foods. Carrots, known for their eye health benefits, are packed with vitamin A, but they're not alone. Sweet potatoes, with their vibrant orange color, are another fantastic source. And let's not forget about leafy green vegetables like spinach. Not only are these foods rich in vitamin A, but they also provide a host of other nutrients, making them a great addition to any meal. Now, it's important to remember that while vitamin A is essential, too much of it can be harmful. So it's always best to get your vitamins from a balanced diet rather than supplements, unless advised otherwise by a healthcare professional. In conclusion, vitamin A, with its multitude of health benefits, is crucial for women's health. It aids in regulating the menstrual cycle, supports reproductive health, and provides a host of other benefits. So remember to incorporate vitamin A-rich foods into your diet for a healthy hormonal balance. Next up is vitamin B6, a key player in mood regulation and hormonal balance. Now, what makes vitamin B6 so special? Well, it's linked to the production of 2 critical hormones that greatly affect our mood: serotonin and dopamine. Let's start with serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good hormone. Serotonin plays a pivotal role in regulating our mood, sleep, appetite, and even our digestion. Studies have shown that when our serotonin levels are balanced, we're more likely to feel happier, calmer, and more focused. Now, here's where vitamin B6 comes in. It acts as a coenzyme in the conversion of tryptophan to serotonin, effectively helping to boost our serotonin levels. Next, we have dopamine. This hormone is associated with the pleasure and reward system in our brain. It helps us feel pleasure and satisfaction as part of the reward system, influencing our drive, focus, and motivation. Vitamin B6 plays a role in the synthesis of dopamine, meaning it helps to produce and regulate this hormone. But where can you find vitamin B6? It's actually quite abundant in many of the foods we eat. Bananas, for instance, are a fantastic source. They're not only delicious, but also packed with vitamin B6. Chickpeas, too, are a great option. They're versatile, easy to incorporate into meals, and loaded with this mood-boosting vitamin. And let's not forget about tuna. This protein-rich fish is not only a great source of vitamin B6, but also omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support brain health. So whether it's whipping up a chickpea curry, enjoying a banana as a quick snack, or grilling a tuna steak for dinner, there are plenty of ways you can ensure you're getting enough vitamin B6 in your diet. Remember, a balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health, and incorporating foods rich in essential vitamins is a step in the right direction. Boost your mood and balance your hormones with a healthy dose of vitamin B6. Moving on to vitamin D, famously known as the sunshine vitamin. This is a nutrient that's more than worthy of its warm and bright nickname. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in a wide array of bodily functions. One of its most important tasks is promoting calcium absorption in the gut. This is essential for the development and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. Without sufficient vitamin D, bones can become thin, brittle, or misshapen. But it doesn't stop at bone health. Vitamin D has a lesser-known yet equally important role in our bodies. It's instrumental in preventing hormonal imbalances. Hormones are like the body's chemical messengers, and when they're out of sync, it can lead to a host of health issues, including mood swings, weight gain, and even more serious conditions, like diabetes or heart disease. Here's where vitamin D steps in. It helps regulate the production of insulin, a hormone that controls blood sugar levels. By aiding in insulin regulation, vitamin D can help prevent imbalances that could lead to conditions like insulin resistance or diabetes. Now you might be wondering, where can I get my dose of this amazing vitamin? Well, the answer is as bright as daylight. Literally. Our bodies produce vitamin D naturally when directly exposed to sunlight. So spending time outdoors in the sun is one of the easiest ways to get your vitamin D. But what about those cloudy days, or for those who live in less sunny climates? Fear not, because vitamin D can also be found in certain foods. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are excellent sources. Egg yolks, cheese, and beef liver are also on the list. And for vegetarians or those on a plant-based diet, many foods like soy milk and almond milk are often fortified with vitamin D. So, don't forget to soak up some sun and enjoy vitamin D-rich foods for a balanced hormonal system. Fourth on our list is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in hormonal balance. Now, what exactly does this mean? Well, let's break it down. Imagine your body as a bustling city, with hormones as the traffic signals, coordinating all of the complex operations that keep everything running smoothly. But sometimes, these signals can get thrown off balance, leading to a whole host of issues. That's where vitamin E comes in. Vitamin E is like the city's maintenance crew, tirelessly working to keep those signals functioning correctly. It does this by protecting our cells from damage, specifically the kind that can throw our hormones out of whack. This kind of damage can come from a variety of sources, including toxins in our environment, or even natural processes within our own bodies, like oxidation. One of the key benefits of vitamin E is its effect on premenstrual syndrome, or PMS. If you've ever experienced the mood swings, bloating, or fatigue that can come with PMS, you know how disruptive it can be. But studies have shown that vitamin E can help alleviate these symptoms, making that time of the month a little bit more bearable. But beyond just PMS, vitamin E plays a broader role in balancing hormones overall. It helps regulate the production and function of hormones in our bodies, contributing to a more balanced, harmonious system. So how can you get more vitamin E into your diet? Well, it's actually quite simple. Some foods that are rich in vitamin E include almonds, spinach, and avocado. These are all delicious and versatile options that can easily be incorporated into your meals. To sum it up, vitamin E is a crucial player in maintaining hormonal balance. It's like the unsung hero of our bodies, quietly working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. So next time you're enjoying a handful of almonds or a creamy slice of avocado, remember to thank vitamin E for all the hard work it's doing. Incorporate vitamin E into your diet for a healthier and more balanced hormonal system. Last but not least, we have vitamin K, a key vitamin in maintaining hormonal balance. This vitamin plays several crucial roles in our body, and its importance cannot be overstated. One of its primary functions is to aid in blood clotting, a process vital to our overall health. Imagine if a simple cut could bleed indefinitely. That's a world without vitamin K. We also have vitamin K to thank for our strong bones. It's involved in bone metabolism, helping to keep our skeletal system robust and resilient. But we cannot forget its role in hormonal balance. By helping regulate our hormones, vitamin K ensures our bodies function in harmony. You can find vitamin K in foods like leafy green vegetables, broccoli, and prunes. Incorporating these into your diet can provide a natural boost of this essential vitamin. So, don't underestimate the power of vitamin K when it comes to maintaining a healthy hormonal balance. Until next time, have a good one. And don't forget to check out our products below in the description.